You are watching a 360-degree drag race video. That means you can change the camera angle by either tilting your mobile device or dragging the cursor on your desktop's browser window. If you want to watch the proper drag race video of these particular cars, then click on the pop-out banner in the top right-hand corner of the screen or on the link below the video to watch the full drag race video. Anyway, on with the race.
Oh, neck and neck off the line. Come on, petrol power. That Tesla's going now, though. Oh, no, I thought it would die more than it did, but it hasn't. It's still pulling on me, and that's that.
So then, what exactly happened? Well, the Tesla Model X P100D did the standing quarter mile in 11.3 seconds, whereas the Audi RS4 took 12.1 seconds.
Okay, now we're going to have a rolling race. 3, 2, 1, go! Go on, kick down! Oh, that just takes off because it's blooming electric! And he's going. He's going. But now, I think his lead, he's not getting any more. That's enough of that.
Thanks for watching this 360-degree drag race video. Now check out the full video by clicking on the pop-out banner in the top right-hand corner of the screen or on the link below the video.